Modern-day southern Mexico was the birthplace of the Maya civilization. Between 6 and 7 million Mayas still live in this region, as well as in the neighboring countries of Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador. Yucatan. The largest group of Maya in Mexico are the Yucatees. 300,000 of them live on the tropical southeastern tip of Mexico, known as the Yucatan Peninsula. 59% of the population there are of Maya descent. The Yucatan Peninsula is home to around 200 Maya ruins and is a popular tourist destination. The ancient cities of Chichén Itzá, El Balam, and Uxmal are popular attractions. However, lots of ruins lie deep in the jungle, hidden from view. Yucatan's capital is the city of Merida, which was founded in 1542 by a Spanish conquistador named Francisco de Montejo y León. Merida was built out of the stone ruins of a Maya city called Tahoe. The cathedral was built out of stones that were once part of the Maya temple. There are 31 groups of Maya in Central America. Each one has its own version of the Maya language, and many also speak Spanish. Spanish is seen as an important language to learn if children want to go to university or find a well-paid job. Since most of the world's Mayan population live in one large area of Central America, they have been able to preserve their language, culture, and identity. For example, the Mayan calendar is still used in the highlands. There, communities have a priest called a day keeper, who keeps track of the date and leads traditional rituals, festivals, and religious ceremonies. Racism, discrimination, and inequality are very real problems for the Maya people. The peak of this came in the 1980s, when Maya from Guatemala had to flee their homes to escape civil war and genocide. Many settled in Mexico, while others moved to the United States and Canada. In spite of this, today's Mayan population is booming. They are a people who are proud of their roots. Different Maya groups are working together to preserve Maya culture, language, and history. By teaching their children and grandchildren these traditions, they hope that the Maya people will keep their identity for many years to come.